just a quick disclaimer before this video starts. Please do not use this for any malicious purposes. This video is for educational purposes only. Use this at your own discretion. This is not something to be played with. It is highly illegal if you are caught. What is going on, guys? mortalmodsyt here, and this video is going to be on something that's called ratting. Ratting is a remote administrator tool that you can put on another PC to gain access. I use this for my fiance, anybody that needs help with a computer that I can't happen to be there at that exact point in time. I'll use a rat to do what I have to do so I can fix it. So to set up some of this stuff, some things that you will need are this. This is what I'm using. This is a rat that I'm using. I'll put the link to this in the description. Once you download this, you need a VPN. You need a way to hide your IP address. Never do this without hiding your IP. This basically just protects you from being caught. It stops it from being able to be traced back to you. And the third thing you will need is your IP address. This isn't my IP. It's spoofed. So, alright. So, by the way, CyberGhost, this is just a free one that you can use. It doesn't cost anything. You just got to wait a little bit of time before it connects. And it's good for every 3 hours you have to reconnect. So, and it's not bad. I use it and it's decent. So first thing you're going to do is download NanoCore, then download the VPN, and then once you do that, just type in what's my IP into Google and it shows your IP address. So after you do all that, run your VPN. I'm running mine, and you're going to get a folder that looks like this. So you're going to come to this folder, and you're just going to open it. And once you open it, you're going to go to the application that says NanoCore. If this doesn't open, or if Windows Defender comes up and says that you have a virus that it's detected, you need to disable your Windows Defender or any antiviruses that can stop it. Once you disable your antivirus, you can go ahead and run NanoCore. You can minimize that. Okay, so now this is the home screen, and basically we're just going to do the basics. You need to know how to port forward. If you don't know how to port forward, you need to look up a tutorial on that. There's plenty of those all over YouTube, so I'm not going to worry about that. But what you'll do is you'll go to Port Manager, and you will add whatever port that you decide to forward, and you need to make sure that you can connect to that port. So once you do that, what you'll do after you got your port on the list and port forwarded, you'll go to Builder Settings, and Primary Connection Host. What you will do is you will use this IP address, your fake IP address, hopefully you're using the VPN, and you'll put that there. And then run client when computer starts. That way, if they turn off the computer and turn it back on, you'll regain access to it. And then none of the other stuff you really need to worry about unless you the DNS server. I normally use free DNS, and you can also put an icon for it, but I don't worry about that. So all you do is you hit compile. It asks you where you want to save it to. I'm going to just save it to desktop and name it YouTube test. and it's going to save as an executable. And you save it. Just hit yes. And then it's going to open this up and bring you to it. But as you can see, it's right here. Oh, probably won't be able to do that. Nope. Okay, so here it is right here. And all you'll do is go to clients and hit connections. This shows you everybody that you've connected to. And all you're going to do is just, whenever somebody runs the program, whether it's you or somebody else, it'll take a minute or so, but it'll sooner or later show up on the list right here. Yep. And so all we have to do is you can just right click and do anything that you want. I mean, you can mouse swap, you can control their PC, send a message box, you can you can do anything. Look through their webcam, listen if they have a microphone. It'll make a log of what keys they press, so if they're typing in passwords, you can get that. It's just a really good, stable tool that you can use. And it also has, the information, the CPU, RAM. So like if I pull up Task Manager, see, and you can look at the CPU, 88, 82. It's close. It's not exact, but it's close. And RAM is right. It tells you what they're in, how long they've been connected, and that's about it. And then if you just want to disconnect, and you can uninstall this from whatever computer by going to connection and just hit uninstall and hit yes. And what it'll do is it'll take it off your list and it'll delete the application off of their system. So now you're no longer connected. Well, I hope this helped those of you who needed it. And if you do this, please do it responsibly. All right, I'll catch you on the next time.